Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Rikindo Tuition Center. I'm Kelly Kafimbi. So today we'll look at question C3 from the 2022 GCE Science Paper 1. So follow me closely as we look at this question. It's under organic chemistry. Okay, it reads, propene is one of the many important hydrocarbons obtained from crude oil. Like propane, it is made up of molecules which contain 3 carbon atoms. So we have questions here. This is A. The A question has 3 questions under it. So the first one reads, draw the structural formula for propene. 2. How does propene differ from propane in terms of bonds? To which group of hydrocarbons does propene belong to? So, this is the third one. The fourth one, give the molecular formula for propane and propene respectively. So, join me as we answer these questions. So we'll start with the first one, which is A1. Okay, draw the structural formula for propene. So we can first figure out the formula that we use to find any other molecular formula that will help us to draft to draw the structural formula. So this is what we use, CnH2n. So we have already been told the number of carbon atoms. So what is the number of carbon atoms? It's 3. I mean, just the word itself, prop means 3. So we're going to replace where is N with 3. C3H. So if we replace here 3 with 3, it will be 2 times 3. That will be 6. So this molecular formula or chemical formula, it will help us now to draw the structural formula. We know that it has 3 carbon atoms. Here we have a double bond. Remember, these are alkenes. Okay. So having done this, we have 6 hydrogens, and each of these carbons should contain only 4 bonds. So this one, it already has 1, 2. So we'll just write 2 more, 3, 4. This one, it has 1. This one, it has 1, 2, 3. So it only needs 1 to be 4. This one, it only has 1. So it needs 3 more. So 2, 3, 4. So meaning that we have drawn the structural formula. Okay, how does propene differ from propane in terms of bond? In terms of bonds. So propene being an alkene, alkenes they contain double bonds. Then propane, it's an alkane. It only contains single bonds. So we'll say propene has double bonds, while propane has single bonds between carbon atoms. Okay, so meaning I've answered A2. So we go to A3. To which group of hydrocarbons does propene belong to? To which group of hydrocarbons does propene belong to. So this one, I've talked of alkenes. It belongs to the family of alkenes. Okay, so meaning that we have answered the third question on A. Give the molecular formula for propane and propene. Now here we'll find the molecular formula. So the molecular formula for propane, we can use this. So this is the formula that we use to find the molecular formula for alkanes. This is an alkane. So we're going to say C3, since it's prop. Prop means 3. Don't forget that. Then we have 2. If you place 3 here, it will be 2 times 3, 6, plus 2, 8. So meaning propane, the molecular formula is C3H8. Then for propene, we already found the molecular formula for propene. It will be C3H6. So this is the molecular formula for propane and propene. Then we go to the B question. B has 2 questions, A and B, 1 and 2. So explain why propene reacts immediately with bromine, whereas propane does not. Okay, this is B, question B1. So we need to explain why propene reacts immediately with bromine, whereas propane does not. So propene, remember what I said, or what we said here, it's an alkene. So alkenes, they have what we call a double bond, meaning that they are very reactive. So meaning so I would say propene has a double bond which easily break for bromine to be added, whereas propane has a single bond, which makes it unreactive. Okay, so that's B1. Then describe what will be observed during the reaction. What will be observed during the reaction? The reaction of propene and bromine. So the reaction, it will lose its color. It will be decolorized. The reddish brownish bromine, it will change to colorless. The reddish brown bromine will lose its color, will lose its color we will lose its color to lose or to change its color. It will change its color to colorless. So we proceed. Propene is obtained by breaking down longer chains of hydrocarbons. What is this process called? So this process is called cracking. D. Propene is a monomer for making an important plastic. State the name of the polymer it forms. So it forms a polypropene. Polypropene. Thank you very much for watching. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Rekindle Tuition Center.